Hi there, hi everyone, welcome. Hi boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle in this additional, not in today's newspaper of Friday, June the 17th, 2022, because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional, no, it's the yesterday's newspaper, Thursday, June the 16th, 2022. We have already solved these two puzzles, the 1-star and the 2-star Sudokus, but it's time for the binary, and later on the tectonic with 1 star. But first, this binary time. Yes, number 4717. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Then I need to think now. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. If I place number 4 there, then we have 4 O's in a row. In this row, not allow one of the rules. So this can be a 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Here we have 3 1s. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row, in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 3, if we have here 3 1s in the first row. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Then we need to compare, I think. I'm afraid that we need to compare. 1001. Do we have 1001 here? No, so I cannot compare this row. Can I compare 0110? 0110? No. We have not double 1 here, so I cannot compare the rows. How about the columns then? Double 1 here. Do we have double 1 here? No, so we need to compare this column. Double 1 here. Yeah. This column and that column. Empty box. 001111 001100. Empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Finishing 4 minutes. Alright, great binary, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye bye for now.